Somaliland is a nation characterized by their tribalistic personality. Their craftsmanships are far out of reach by us who lives in an urbanized society. They call themselves Somalilander. They are masters of processing raw material into everyday objects. Creative and crafty, it is their source of bonding to their tightly knitted community. It is honest work for honest profits. But they struggle to find their own identity, and to connect with modern society. Through research on local contexts and technological advancements, we attempt to contribute towards vernacularity for this nation. By rejuvenating their traditional crafts and cultures,